Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video and another unboxing and first impressions. Today we're unboxing a latest model from Militado watches. Now if you follow my channel, you know I featured them many times on the channel. This is another one of their ultra cheap like grab and go watches. So let's open the box. It comes in their standard box, it's nothing special. But considering the price, and this is priced under $65, so it's $64.99. I'm surprised it doesn't come in like a plastic bag and that's it. So let's open the box, get the watch out. Inside you have a small warranty. That's also a user manual, so another of the savings. And here it is. It is their Flieger model and they offer two versions, Type A and Type B. This is the Type B because it has separate ring for the hours and one for the minutes. And it's a typical Flieger, but done in a smaller size, meaning that it's going to fit my wrist pretty much perfectly. So this is a 37mm watch with, I believe, under 45mm lug to lug, and they claim 10mm of thickness. I will have all the specs in the corner of the screen because, like I said, this is just the unboxing and first impressions. The watch is powered by the Seiko VH mecaquartz movement. So basically you take a mecaquartz chronograph that Seiko used to make, and now they make a simple three-hand movement because it simulates a mechanical watch movement. As you can see, the second hand doesn't tick every second, but it has that mechanical sweep. So a great move by Seiko, and a lot of micro brands are using it. So you get the accuracy of a quartz movement and convenience of a grab and go watch, but you get the visual aesthetic of a mechanical watch. Now, truth be told, this is much slower than even, I believe, 18,000 bph, but still it is pretty cool. The watch is completely bead blasted, as you would expect from a Flieger, and it does come with these pretty straight lugs. Now this is the V2, where the lugs are actually slightly bent downwards. On the V1 they were completely straight. Here they are bent slightly, but even like so, I believe this is a bit too straight for my taste. It comes with a screw-in crown and 100 meters of water resistance. The crown is onion shaped, it's very easy to grip, and when you pull it, you're gonna stop the movement because, like I said, this is a battery operated movement. The hands are blued, as you can see, and the dial is matte black with white numerals and markers, so it's a very legible dial. And being a Flieger, that's what you expect. You want a watch where you'll be able to read the time accurately at a glance, and they certainly made it. So as you can see the blue of the minute hand. Very cool. And I do like the fact that the hands are their proper length, so each hand is pointing exactly where its designated markers are. The watch comes with a sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, so very good and incredible specs, honestly, for the money at $65 or just under $65. Then they also have some coupons always or discounts, so this is probably like an under $60 watch. It comes on a NATO strap, and that's the one thing that I don't like because I hate NATO straps. And given the very straight lugs, as you can see, the strap goes upwards before it goes down, so it's probably gonna look ridiculous on my wrist. But I do have my custom straps, so I will be switching to one of my own by the time I do the full review. So do stay tuned for the full review when I do the macro shots and everything. But honestly, even if this is finished like, I don't know, like a dog, it doesn't matter because it's a $65 watch that looks amazing, that has incredible specs. I mean, stainless steel case, bead blasted, screw-in crown, 100 meters of water resistance, sapphire, and a Seiko mecaquartz movement. So pretty decent specs for the money. So let's try to put it on my wrist. We're gonna do a Lume shot, and that's gonna be it for today. And here it is. Here's the watch on my wrist. It's not too big. It actually fits pretty much perfectly. And even with these pointy lugs, it actually doesn't look ridiculous. But this is the reason why I hate NATO straps. You have a lot of strap underneath, on the sides and everything. It feels much bulkier than it should. So that's why I don't like this particular type of a strap, but that's easy to fix by switching to one of yours. But the watch itself really does look pretty cool, and as you can see, when you catch the light like this, you can see the blue the blued hands, very cool. Okay, so let's do the Lume shot, and that's gonna be it for today. Let me just take it off, charge the watch, and we're gonna be back in a second. Okay, with the watch charged, let's zoom in, let the camera focus, and turn off the lights. And the Lume is actually very impressive. So despite such a cheap price, they certainly didn't save money or cheap out on Lume. It is not C3, so it glows more blue than green, but it is incredibly potent. Very nice. So this is BGW9, I believe, Lume. I'll have the details for the review, but as you can see, everything that's supposed to be loomed is loomed. The watch is very easy to read. Wow. Okay, this one is probably gonna last all night long given the power of the Lume that we're seeing currently. Very good, and I'm actually surprised because these ultra cheap watches usually come with pretty bad Lume, but this one is amazing. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said, do stay tuned for the full review when I do the macro shots, and check out Militado, because this, as like a grab and go quartz watch that looks interesting, is sized right for us small wristed guys, is simply perfect, and quite frankly, I don't think you can beat it at $65. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.